Need to remove a photo background? Here are 5 free tools that can do it in seconds. If you're a creator, business owner, or aspiring virtual assistant, save this list. Website number 1, Remove.bg. Just upload your image and it automatically removes the background in seconds. It's one of the easiest tools to use. Number 2, Nero AI Background Remover. A simple option if you want a quick, clean cutout. Number 3, Adobe Express Background Remover. Easy to use and works directly in your browser. Number 4, Canva Background Remover. If you're already designing in Canva, this makes your workflow much easier. Number 5, InShot on Android. Perfect if you edit mostly from your phone. The cleaner your original image is, the better these tools usually work. Which one are you going to try first? Comment below. Follow for more simple creator and VA tools. And if you're starting your VA journey, check out my VA Starter Kit for Beginners, linked in my bio.